Hey, are you pretty girl? Are you being good? This is being good. You watch the babies and stay off the top. Brown-eyed girl. She hid from us somewhere in the barn last night. We couldn't find her, but we were so glad to see her this morning. And there's Bossy. These are our surviving older chickens. And I think they like the babies. And we are building a brand new coop. Hopefully we'll get it done today, but this is a temporary, just shady place for them to be, for her to watch them. Is that right? So, hi Olive, Motley, and Jovi. They're all in here stretching their wings and flying and perch and 100% a rooster right there. Look, Bossy likes them. It's like she's telling them what to do. Is that Precious? Are you Precious? And then there's Brown-eyed girl on the other end. They're teaching them. That's so precious. These two hens have never even brooded, let alone rose babies, so, maybe it's just an instinct thing for them.